Thank you, Honourable Speaker, and I also thank the Honourable Member. Honourable Speaker, before I give my response, I would also like to congratulate you, sir, on your appointment as the Speaker of this House. We also wish you very and every best in your role as the Honourable Speaker. Honourable Speaker, in the absence of a national policy, the sporting bodies, they have their own discipline procedure in place. And there has been a lot of requests by the sporting bodies to have a national policy so that they can implement in terms of dealing with youth in relation to drug abuse. Therefore, Honourable Speaker, to address the drug abuse, in fact, let me say at the outset, the government is very concerned in this regard. And therefore, the Ministry of Youth and Sports formulated a draft national sport and drug policy in 2016. Honourable Speaker, at this juncture, I would like to thank and acknowledge my former colleague minister for doing the groundwork since 2016. And now we are finalizing the policy through a public and stakeholder consultation process before the same is tabled for Cabinet's approval. Honourable Speaker, the main objective of this proposed national policy is for our youths to understand the harmfulness of drugs to our sports people. Honourable Speaker, it is also our hope that by implementing these policies and legislation, we will assist the prevention of drugs intake by our sportswomen and men. Thank you, Honourable Speaker.
Right.